Hey everybody, my name is Conrad Stout. I am the owner of SF Investments. I am starting our YouTube marketing this week, and I figured I would hop on and put my face on here. So, full disclosure, I'm not a YouTube star. I am not a star in my city or my area. I am a small business owner who started in real estate last year in January of 2019 and was very blessed financially. Shortly after we started, we managed to acquire over $1 million in assets in our first year in business, and the Lord has really been very gracious to us. We are a religious family and a religious business, so we do give the glory of our victories to God Himself. Um, I am not a professional YouTuber. I am incredibly uncomfortable doing this, but part of being successful is becoming comfortable being uncomfortable. So I am making the video today for everybody. This is going to be our intro video. We're going to discuss business essentials a little bit, who we are, how we got started, and talk a little bit about what our goals are in the near future. We are looking to start helping other people have the same levels or similar levels of success that we had. With that being said, my business partner is also my wife. She's not available right now to hop on the video, but she did want me to say hi on her behalf and let everybody know that she's excited to be a part of this journey, and she will definitely be involved here in the very near future as far as the videos and YouTube marketing go. Again, I'm going to start off. My name is Conrad Stout. I am the owner of SF Investments. My wife is the other co-owner of SF Investments. We started this business in hopes to build a better future for our family, for our future children, and hopefully hundreds of years if we do what we need to do correctly. We can form processes, start systems, and put our children on a better path for a better future. Um, I like to think that most parents have those similar goals. We want to give our children a future, a chance at a future that we didn't have. So that's the reason we started SFI, and the purpose of this video is to introduce our why. That is our why. We established our business in January of 2019. We went full-time by August of 2019, and in our first year in business, we acquired just over $1 million in assets. January 2020 was our first acquisition for our first rehab, and it's in Portland, Oregon. We were doing the rehab completely on our own. We had a mentor that set us up on the right path, gave us everything that we needed, all the tools we needed for success, and got the wheel spinning. We hit the pavement running, and we've been really having a lot of fun with this one. It's been a struggle. It hasn't been simple. It's not like it was on HGTV. It's been a definite challenge, but we're pushing through and we're finding a way to make it happen. Sometimes you got to be flexible. You can't stick to one goal and expect to win. You have to find other ways to come out on top sometimes. Sometimes the shortest road isn't the easiest one to the mountaintop. Um, as far as importance of why, it's really important to have a why, because without that why, you have no motivation. You have no reason to keep going. And when things get tough, it's really easy to just walk away, just to quit. And I'm a big fan of motivation. I listen to Les Brown. I listen to E.T. I listen to David Goggins. I listen to a wide variety of motivational speakers and individuals who are in the position that I want to be in. Financially, I listen to Warren Buffett, Earl Nightingale, Jim Rohn, Bob Proctor. I listen to a lot of major stars that were big players in the game, influencers of their day, and they've really left a legacy behind. And that's again my why. I want to leave a legacy for my children, for my family, for our future. My background is law enforcement. I spent just over a decade between law enforcement and military, um, fighting for my country. I was a long ways away from real estate. It was something I wanted to do when I was a kid. And as I started to grow into a teen, I realized that real estate was a very powerful vessel, and never gave up on wanting to do it. Just never really had the true motivation to go after it and find out how to do it. I started studying for YouTube. I do have a service-related disability, and my line of work started to become very difficult for me. So in doing what I do, I started to really struggle physically, and after a while, I started to come to terms with the idea that my mind was still just as strong as ever, if not stronger. My body was starting to my body has already started to kind of fall apart. I have osteoarthritis on the right side of my body, so my knee and my ankle have no cartilage left. So when I walk, it's literally bone on bone. In my line of work, fights are a daily occurrence or have the possibility of being a daily occurrence. So um, getting too many fights, after a while, it starts to hurt really bad, whether you win or lose. So my my why was my family. I missed a lot of events, a lot of time that I can't get back. Time with my kids, birthdays, Christmases, things like that. I found myself working or gone completely during those events. I went through one divorce while I was on active duty in the military, and I was lucky enough to find my soulmate shortly after that divorce occurred. So I was able to find a way to come out on top, but that goes back to another section or another lesson for another day. I am really just committed to finding the time, finding the physical and mental space and capacity to be here for my family every second of every day. I want to choose which days I'm going to be present and which days I won't be present. I gave up wanting other people or allowing other people that opportunity to choose that for me, and this has been what I've pushed for many years. Fortunately, I was able to make it happen last year and continue to do so full time this year. I work my own schedule, and I truly enjoy what I do. What I do now. We are SF Investments. We're a real estate investing company that focuses on the consulting aspect of investments. We really focus on helping people that are in distressed situations. We do buy houses, just like the signs say, but we also find solutions for people that don't want to sell their houses. Sometimes people are in a position where they feel like their back is against the wall and they have to sell something that they don't want to sell. Sometimes they have their family business has been run out of that house, or their whole family has grown up in that house. They started off as kids watching their being raised by their parents in that house, and now they're raising their own children in that house, or they have their children are raising their grandchildren in that house. So a lot of times these homes, they're family heirlooms more than anything, and people don't like letting go of memories. It's hard to let go of memories. So if there's a way that we can come in and help somebody prevent their house from going into foreclosure, then we try to find ways to do it. We build our networks. We've really focused hard over the last year and a half on building our networks over the entire U.S. We have over 3,000 different companies, investors, and investment firms in our Rolodex. We work actively on seeking new partnerships and really just preaching to the people of the country what we do. My why is my family and my children, and I want to give them a better opportunity and a better future. I think that's about it. I don't really know what else to talk about. I do apologize for the quality of the video. Again, I'm incredibly uncomfortable right now, even though I'm just talking to my computer screen. I am a major introvert, so this is different for me. This is new for me, and truth be told, and hopefully with practice I'll get better. If not, you guys will either get used to it or stop watching me, I guess. So thank you for tuning in. Thanks for giving us a shot. I'm going to be posting videos of our rehabs and things that we do in different areas throughout the U.S. on these channels. So if you guys have questions, reach out. That's what we got into this for. That's why I'm doing the videos, because I want people to know that we're here to help. We're everyday people, same color eyes, same blood, same everything as everybody else. So if you guys have questions, we're not too good to answer. We're not too good to take the time out of our day, and we don't charge for information. Information's always free. We make our money in real estate, and like I said before, God gave us these blessings. We want to pass those back along. Keep paying it forward. All right, you guys, go help others. This world needs heroes. Take care.